Hello, welcome back. Today I'm here to talk to you about the differences between although, though, and even though. And you are going to be so happy to know that most of the time they're kind of the same. So let's get started. When you're talking about the beginning of a sentence, you can use although, though, or even though with the same meaning. So you don't have to worry. Let me give you an example. Although I've been trying, I can't get a job interview. Though I've been trying, I can't get a job interview. Even though I've been trying, I can't get a job interview. All of these sentences are practically the same. So from now on, you needn't worry. Just do what feels right to you. Oh, talking of which, let me teach you that pronunciation. Well, it's actually a contraction. Need not is needn't. And when you say that quickly, the D from need kind of becomes really small. So it goes needn't. You needn't worry. When you're talking about using these words in the middle of the sentence, you can use although and even though with, again, very, very similar, almost the same meanings. Let me teach you how to do that. I like living here, although I miss my family. It's very similar to but. So I like living here, but I miss my family. To those of you guys who are living abroad and, you like living abroad, it's a fantastic life, but at the same time, you feel like you would like to be closer to your family members, and most of the time they will be back in your country. So when I lived in England, most of my family members were in Brazil, apart from obviously my closest family. Closest family meaning my parents and my siblings, brothers or sisters. So apart from them, my family was in Brazil, my grandparents and aunts and uncles and cousins and all of those people. So I like living here, although I miss my family. Similar to using but, not exactly the same. It's almost like when you say, I like living here, but I miss my family. It's a little bit stronger. It's one of those things that you kind of have to learn to feel. And if you say, I like living here, though I miss my family, again, exactly the same as although. And if you say, I like living here, even though I miss my family, this is a little bit different. The difference here is when you're using it in the middle of a sentence and you say even though, it kind of gives the feeling that the most important part of your sentence is, I like living here. Look, I like living here even though I miss my family. So the most important part is you saying, I like living here. Whereas when you say, I like living here though I miss my family, it's almost like the most important part is I miss my family. So it's a difference in meaning. It's a very small difference, but it's important that you notice this difference when you're using these words in the middle of your sentence. Now let's talk about times where these words are different, especially one of them, which is my personal favorite. I might say to you, I am super busy today. And you might say to me, are you still coming over though? Are you still coming over? This means, are you still coming to my house? Are you still coming to my place? We say place meaning house, a bit weird. Are you still coming over though? So when you're talking about using these words at the end of the sentence, you want to use only though. And that is my favorite word because that is one that I use all the time. Seriously, guys, I cannot emphasize this enough. I really don't think there is a day that goes by when I'm speaking English, which is literally every day of my life, that I do not say the word though. I literally use this word every day, and I'm sure native speakers do too. And it is so important that you begin to familiarize yourself with this word and stop running away feeling that the word though is scary or maybe unreachable to you, because it's not. It's actually a very simple word. When I say, are you still coming over though? It's like saying, okay, you're tired, but are you coming over anyway? I could say, I can see you're tired. Are you still coming over even though you're tired? That's fine. That's in the middle of your sentence, right? So you can say even though. I could say, I can see you're tired. Are you still coming over although you're tired? Although you're tired, fine. And I could also say, I can see you're tired. Are you still coming over though you're tired? Though in the middle of your sentence, again, that's absolutely fine. When I say these 3 sentences, they mean the same thing. So do not worry, do not panic. Just say whichever one. I really hope this video has helped you, has brought some, clarification, has given you the explanations that you needed. Remember, these words are actually simpler and easier to use than you think. And stop running away from them. I want you to write a sentence in the comments using one of these words so I can tell you whether it's right or wrong, okay? Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure to be with you. I'll see you all next time. Take care.